Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka jingpen po yaki umknyang petrol, diesel, bat gas, LPG, ha Meghalaya ka yad bet yad renti, pat kamdon kanu ka jing kerdu, ha kabay day ka jing supply. Ya kani layat hu da ka coordinator ka Meghalaya Oil Marketing Company, ka Sawti Mudoy, habakren shakila pathai kubor, kabala pensyai halor ka jinglong jingman karu kompen po yaki tendong shed ki LPG cylinder, bat ki wei ki kenja umknyang kentup ika petrol ka diesel, baro kalong kababiang pat kabapura bha ha ka Jylla Meghalaya baro kawai. Kala penti kena baka jengbu kendon ya ka gas LPG bat kiwei ki kenja umpniang kalong kababiang. Kat kum ka jingit hu ka Sawti hadu menta ki don kumbalai spa lai pulai tali ki petrol pump ki retail outlets ha ka Jylla Meghalaya. Na kini ka IOCL ka don arspa santli ka BPCL ka don saw pulai tali ka HPCL kadon nyopo artli bat jongki riushimet kata ki private kabakan thop ya ki isar nayara ishel bat reliance ki don khat sautli ha kabaide ba kaching supply ki gas LPG klayat hu ba lapan biang hadu kumba lai pon nyo lak ngut ki nong penon kam gas ling ba riu pun retli ki dukan de gas ha ka Jylla barok kawai bat menta ki dukan de gas ki biang ka kenton balabu lupa bat kam don ka jingduna gas. Haga jo kopor kala kentu ikinong penan kam gas baki day ban book online. Bat ban pen I da UDAC ha kapor ba wan poi gas kanang ban don ka jingshan bat ka jinghut ha ka jing pen biang. Ha ka bay day ka jing pen poi gas siya ki longyeng ki bayo jinirap na ka scheme PMUY na ni ka Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana ha Meghalaya ka coordinator jong ka Meghalaya Oil Marketing Company klay thu baka jingpen po yaki gas kalong kumba shi haja khandai spa saupo artli ha ka shisni
oil, oil-based products, LPG, in Meghalaya as in specific and also as in the country as a whole. And the purpose is to, through your medium, we want to make the public aware of the current status so that they are assured that the things are okay throughout the country. And this kind of briefing is happening throughout the country after the West Asia disturbance. And this is I think third or fourth briefing in Meghalaya. So we have with us Chief General Manager Indian Oil, Sri Amarjyoti Bordoloi, OSD Department of Food Civil Supplies Government of Meghalaya, Sri Kupar War, State Level Coordinator Meghalaya Oil Marketing Companies, Ms. Sawti Mudoy. So with these words, I would now welcome you all once again and invite the officials to begin the briefing.
What is happening is that as you all know, because of this that crisis happening in the West Asia and that part of the world, the whole world is getting affected, and India is also no exceptions. As far as LPG is concerned, we are importing around 60 to 70% of our requirement, pan-India basis. So naturally, when the import vessels are not able to reach the country, there is some measures has been taken so that whatever available product and whatever is coming, so that it can be optimally used. So as far as Northeast is concerned, you are already aware that there are 4 refineries here. So LPG is also produced in the refineries, and luckily for the Northeast as a whole, I cannot particularly identify Meghalaya here, we are able to produce about 60 to 70% of our requirement in within the refineries that is having in the Northeast. So in the Northeast, we are in a much better position, and the current production level in the refineries of Northeast, which are mostly located in Assam, is about 1400 to 1500 metric ton, whereas our entire demand of the Northeast is around 2700 metric ton per month. So we are for that particular area, almost 60% of our requirement is being fed by our local resource itself. Similarly, we have a supply chain where about 2200 LPG bullets are used in bringing product from supply sources like Haldia, which is the import location, and also some inland location like Baka and Durgapur in Bihar and West Bengal. So that supply chain is also continuously coming. And if we really look at the entire Northeast requirement as of today, the stock that is in hand is already able to take care of about 5 to 6 days of requirement. And if we add up the in transit stock, then our requirement is being met for about 10 to 12 days. So, and it's a continuous process. Basically, this product input is continuously taking place, refinery production is continuously taking place. So, this we are able to maintain since the start of the crisis, that is in say first week of March. So, as far as Northeast is concerned, we are very comfortable. But the only problem as far as LPG is concerned, what we are facing is that in the minds of people, there is a panic. So they are thinking that we may not get LPG. So even if I have a cylinder or I have 2 cylinders in our premises, we must try to get another one and keep it in store. And that is why the crisis per se is in the minds of people, and also we are feeling the demand. So to curb that, there are some processes that has been started by the government of India. One is that strict following of the digitization process of getting an LPG. Basically, one LPG customers, what has been mandated is that we have 2 different types of LPG customer currently. One is under that Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme, PMY, that is about 1.7 lakhs consumers out of 3.7 lakhs consumers in the state. So for those consumers, eKYC has been mandated so that in their name somebody else does not take the cylinder. So once they make the eKYC, they will have to do the booking digitally because their mobile number will be already recorded, and then when the supply is made, they will have to give us a confirmation that I have received the cylinder. This particular activity is done so that diversion does not take place, that domestic cylinder is not misused by some other party and the cylinder goes to the rightful consumer. In case of normal consumer, what the government of India has mandated is that if a customer is not taking cylinder for the last 9 months, then he will have to do the eKYC compulsorily. So the moment he is making the eKYC, he will be eligible for getting the cylinder, and the normal process of digital booking, then delivery, and then delivery confirmation has to be followed. Now what is happening, the crisis what people are talking about is that many people have not done this eKYC. So when they are trying to book the cylinder through digital means, it is not accepting. So this is one I would request the media to though we are trying to do as much publicity we can, we request all of you to do publicity that everybody should do the eKYC. Our distributors have already been advised. They are also going to the door-to-door campaign they are doing, and they can also come to the distributorship and complete the eKYC. Then they will be able to do the booking. Since some of the people are not able to do the booking, they are thinking that LPG is not available. That is why we are not able to do the booking. So that is one thing, kindly publicize as much as possible. As far as stock of LPG is concerned, there is absolutely no problem. Across the Northeast, including Meghalaya, we are having adequate stock. We are able to, in Meghalaya, currently we are able to deliver a cylinder. If you book a cylinder, our distributor has the capability of delivering it within 5 days. By 5th day, the cylinder should be delivered. But of course, for some reasons, there are some consumers who stay in a very far away from the distributor. Sometimes they prefer to come and also take the cylinder. So that is why some delay may take place. But on an average, we are able to deliver a cylinder on the 5th day if a cylinder is booked. Then delivery system. Then we are also strictly monitoring the distributors so that they do not do any kind of activity by which the consumer is affected. So we are looking at their deliveries, we are looking at their DSC figures, we are insisting to them that digitalized process has to be maintained. So across the Northeast, Lot of action has been taken. Around 6 distributors has been suspended, but thankfully the Meghalaya distributors are doing very well, and I think only 3 show cause notices we have given so far, and we are inquiring the cases. And as and when we also get complaints, there are various portals from which we can get the complaints, like the public grievance portal, mainly Government of India's. So there, and also Indian Oil's own PG portal is there. So moment we get those complaints, we inquire and we take adequate action so that the consumer is not affected. The main idea is to appeal to the public that they should not be on a panic kind of state of affairs, that we are not able to get the cylinder and there is a crisis. This is on the domestic front. Now on the commercial front, what was happening earlier, commercial front also, what we have done, we have started a fixed process. Like a commercial establishment has to have an LPG connection. Earlier what was happening, they were not having a connection, because there are many private companies also were operating, who has now fled away because of the crisis, of course, and they were able to get the cylinder without doing any booking or any kind of following any process. But now what we have done, we have mandated the fact that any commercial establishment like a hotel or even a small vendor, they will have to have an LPG connection booked, which is open. They can go to any distributor and do the process of taking a new connection, and then whatever is the requirement. Currently the government is allowing us to give cylinder to the extent of 70% of the earlier normal demand. So to that extent they will be able to get cylinder whenever they book the cylinder. But what has happened in the minds of this commercial establishment, because they did not have a connection earlier, many of them are not aware how to go approach a distributor and how to take a connection. So they are feeling a little helpless. So in fact, our state government, including our SLC, had already had a meeting about 15-20 days back with the what association? Hotel Association of Federation of Hotel Associations in Meghalaya, and we have explained them this situation. And after that, I think things have streamlined a lot. They have taken the connection and they are able to take cylinders. So these are 2 structured way of supplying cylinders. Then we also have another way of delivering cylinders to the people who are normally on the streets, or there are some migrant people who are coming, say somebody from Nongstoin, a student is coming and studying in Shillong, how to get a cylinder to them. So for that we have introduced, we already had it, but we have again restarted this process of supplying 5 kg cylinder. That 5 kg cylinder is a free trade cylinder, anybody can take it. Only thing, he has to prove his identity by giving his Aadhaar. Identity proof will be required, and we will check in that name there should not be an LPG connection, and immediately that person will have to be able to take that 5 kg cylinder. Once he gets the connection, then he can pick it up from anybody. It is not like that he has to go to a fixed distributor. Whichever distributor he wants, even we are putting up in the petrol pumps, he can simply go there, give his empty 5 kg cylinder and take the filled 5 kg cylinder. This is to facilitate the people who are normally coming from outside. They may be having a connection at their home, but when he is working here or he or she is studying here, he may not have a connection. For them, this particular scheme has been started, and with discussion with Government of Meghalaya, we have assessed that around 5,000 cylinders may be required every month. As our SLC has already mentioned to you, around 4,700 cylinder we have been able to sell in the month of April, and this process is continuing. So the oil marketing companies are trying from all sides to ensure that people take the cylinder following the due process. And since it has initially there was some panic in the minds of people, but now I am sure that has also gone and people are getting cylinders regularly. As far as petrol pumps are concerned, only 1 or 2 days, I think in the initial days of April, there was an apprehension across the country that there will be no petrol and diesel, but that has been adequately taken care of, and wherever they are going, they are getting petrol and diesel. So this is all I have to say. Thank you.
Is there any scarcity here?
No, I have just mentioned, see, in Meghalaya, around 10 to 12% of our entire supplies are of commercial cylinders. So, as I had already mentioned, initially many of the commercial establishments did not have a proper connection. Earlier, they used to just, whenever they asked, they used to get a commercial cylinder. But now the process is that they will have to have a proper LPG connection from any distributor. That connection process is open. They can go to any distributor and take a connection by paying a security deposit. And then, as per their indent, the government has currently mandated that whatever was earlier numbers, we can supply up to 70% of that. So, up to 70% of that, we will continue to supply.
Okay, another issue, concern is,
Notices were mainly issued for the fact that they were not doing adequately the delivery confirmation from the consumer. That was not taken to the extent of, we have mandated that it should be minimum about 90 to 95%. But what happened, Meghalaya also has some inherent problems, but there is an opportunity for the distributor that if he does not take a DSC, in my mind as an oil company, I will not be sure that the cylinder is going to the right consumer. So wherever the DSC percentage are low, below is a certain standard, we have asked them to show us the details that whom you have supplied the cylinders, and if he is unable to show us the correct supply of the cylinders, we will take it as a diversion, and then we will take penal action as per the marketing discipline guidelines that we have.
as a system of, because of the hilly terrain, 25 rupees was charged in addition to the 980 whatever people have to give now. That same practice is going on now in Shillong, the whole Meghalaya. So is there any way to address this? Because the money we have to pay.
So this again, I think I will shift it to Sir only, because see, the permission for taking the delivery, extra delivery charges is raised with the government. They do the assessment for a distributor whether his supply areas are within the permit, because our commission that we give, oil companies give commission in two parts. One is the distributor's commission and one is the delivery charges. So if that delivery charges are found to be inadequate by the government, they are at liberty to give a additional charges, and here I think that process is there. In many hilly states in the country, this process is there.
But the consumers are paying, not the government.
But the decision lies with the government, not with the oil companies.
This was okay when during the time of.
I know. So this, I think that is why I am saying this
roads are
question.
good.
I will
Well,
not be.
I have another query. Since you have mentioned about the four oil refineries are there in the northeast, is there any plan to have a bottling plant here in Meghalaya?
Oh, madam, it is actually already in advanced stage. In fact, all of you will be happy to know that we have already started construction of an LPG bottling plant in Meghalaya, and in Umiam only, which is right next to Shillong. And it is the mechanical completion of that bottling plant is expected by June or July of this year itself, and the commissioning we are expecting by another 1 or 2 months after that. So from maximum from July or August, we will be having at least 22 loads of LPG supplied directly from Meghalaya to the state of Meghalaya. So that is a great addition to the supply logistics that will take place in this hilly state. The moment that comes in, the ease of reaching the cylinders to the distributors will be only a matter of 1 hour or so, because it is so near.
Well, since this is
It's digital. Here there are concerns about Aadhaar. Yesterday there was a protest. People are not taking. So how do we address it? And middle path. How do we address it?
See, Aadhaar is related to eKYC, but for LPG connection, you can always connect your mobile number with the connection. So the moment you have the mobile number with your connection, our confirmation is through mobile number only. So the moment mobile number is available, the consumer will be able to give us a confirmation. It is like any other product, like if you are buying something from Amazon or from Flipkart, what you have to give them a code. The similar kind of code nowadays we are insisting that once you receive a cylinder, you have to give that code to the distributors, so that we are satisfied that the cylinder is going to the right consumer.
Any other documents besides Aadhaar? Because Aadhaar they are asking.
No, see, this is a mandate of the government that for PMOI consumers, you have to do the eKYC process. The eKYC process, Aadhaar is a mandatory document. So for PMOI consumers, it will continue to be, Aadhaar will be required.
But here you know, many are not.
That issue is actually already, I think, sir can give a brief on that.
We've taken up an IC campaign with all the stakeholders, and then we are encouraging people to come forward and link their Aadhaar. So that's about it.
Another issue.
That was the reason, in fact, pan-India basis why this scheme of Pradhan Mantri Jylla Yojana had come in. See, this scheme, a beneficiary, which is defined under some acts that he is under below poverty level, that consumer, that lady consumer is able to get an LPG connection entirely free of cost. They don't have to pay a single rupee for a stove, one LPG cylinder with full gas and the stove. The entire, this whole set is given free to them, and then currently they are also getting 300 rupees subsidy for every cylinder they are purchasing. So it is going to their bank account. So that is why this eKYC process is so important for a PMOI consumer. So this is a process, entire country we have issued already, you must be knowing also, around 10 crores customers has been given this free LPG connection, and it is a huge scheme which is discussed worldwide, that how India has been able to.
Maybe there is a fear of blast or fire incident maybe.
No. Fire incident is not related to this kind of activity. This is an activity. LPG accident may have for various reasons, like sometimes lack of knowledge or sometimes some equipment failure can take place. But generally, it is very minimal, hardly takes place.
Well,
Government of Bangladesh and some diesel. See, petrol and diesel, unlike LPG, LPG has to be imported from the other parts of, say, Europe or even this Asia, because we can produce only up to 2/3 of the requirement of the country. But for petrol and diesel, we are self-sufficient in the country, and the additional production that takes place in the refinery, as per the policy of government, it is sometimes exported, sometimes it is.
but in till now we are supplied to Bangladesh.
Madam, this I will not be able to give you the details because I do not have the details now.
Yeah.
But there is a policy. Yes,
This
there are
relates
some
to
refineries.
external affairs,
Exactly.
what do you call that, mandate and all. So he won't be able to answer because he's today prepared for Meghalaya and
One question.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm myself Sawti Mudor, state level coordinator for oil marketing companies, representing all the oil marketing companies for the state of Meghalaya. So this is a small press brief on supply situation of LPG and petroleum products in the state of Meghalaya. Here it goes. Today, the 29th of April 2026. The supply situation of domestic LPG cylinders and petroleum products is completely normal in the state of Meghalaya, and I, on behalf of all oil marketing companies, would like to assure you that we have adequate stock of both LPG and other petroleum products. The supply of all petroleum products, including petrol, diesel and LPG, in the state of Meghalaya is fully normal and under control. Uninterrupted supply is being ensured through the state's robust infrastructure, continuous monitoring system, and effective coordination with state government officials. Currently, there are a total of 334 retail outlets in the state of Meghalaya, in which we have IOCL as a whole has 205 number of retail outlets, BPC has 43 numbers of retail outlets, HPCL has 72 numbers of retail outlets, and the private, which includes SR Oil, Shell and Reliance, we have 14 numbers. At present, sufficient stock equivalent to 25 days of petrol and 46 days of diesel is available for the state. All OMC retail outlets are functioning normally and there are no restrictions on sales. Nozzle sales are in line with normal consumption levels of January to March 2026, indicating stable demand. Therefore, citizens are advised to avoid panic booking. Regarding LPG supply and services, it is being provided to approximately 3.7 lakh consumers through 66 distributors in the entire state. Currently, distributors have adequate stock of domestic LPG cylinders and no dry out have been reported. On average, 4,103 refills are delivered daily and a backlog of about 5 days is being cleared as per the scheduled booking list. Supply remains completely stable. Promoting digitization in LPG services, 83% of our bookings are now being made through digital means, compared to just 68% in the last 2 months. Delivery Authentication Code or DAC compliance has been ensured in 67% of cases, up from 36% 2 months ago. Consumers are requested to use digital booking methods and share the DAC at the time of delivery to ensure safe and transparent operations and distributions. The number of PMUI, that is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana beneficiaries, daily refills in Meghalaya is approximately 1,942 numbers in March 2026 vis-a-vis 4796, this is IOCL record, during Feb 2026. To support low consumption household, migrant laborers, students, etc., 5 kg FTL LPG cylinders are being made available in March 2026. As on yesterday's record, we have sold around 4,972 numbers of 5 kg FTL cylinders. However, since 1/4/2026, we have approximately completed 92% of our monthly quota of 5,000 FTL cylinders as given by Government of Meghalaya. In accordance with the guidelines of the Government of India, commercial LPG allocation is currently maintained at 70%, in which 60% is for all the sectors and 10% goes for the PNG installations, which is currently not available in Meghalaya. Priority is being given to hospitals, educational institutions, defense, railways, government establishments, hotel restaurants, industrial canteens, and food processing units. Daily monitoring is being conducted to ensure smooth distribution. Significant progress has also been made in the PNG sector, and our Indraprastha gas grid IGGL is already doing its work. Network expansion is being accelerated through fast-track approvals, pipeline installation, clearances, and coordination with local authorities and state government. This will reduce dependence on LPG cylinders in urban areas for the future. Further, EV charging facility has also been made available at all our ROs across the state. Almost all of the ROs, still the work is in continuation. Daily coordination meetings are being held between the state government, the civil supplies department, and oil marketing companies. District level monitoring committees are active and stock reports are submitted to the state control room on day-to-day basis. To curb hoarding and illegal diversion, OMC officials in association with officials from the state government of Meghalaya has conducted around 319 inspections since last month. Action has also been initiated against OMC LPG distributors, few of them, for not adhering to standard operating procedure, including digital protocol of booking and delivery acknowledgement confirmation, that is DAC. So far, from our side, we have issued show cause notices to 3 OMC LPG distributors. All OMCs are taking strict action under Essential Commodities Act of 1955. we want to clearly state that adequate stock of petrol, diesel and LPG is available in the state and supply chain is functioning normally. Citizens are requested not to pay attention to rumors, avoid panic buying and refrain from spreading misleading information. The government of Meghalaya and the oil marketing companies in the state assure all the citizens that the supply situation of petroleum products is fully stable and under control and uninterrupted supply to the public is being ensured. Thank you. We have gone up to 68% for the state of Meghalaya and our Aadhaar seeding for the state for LPG consumer stands at 78%.
Like, so you spoke about awareness and talking to the distributors to go to the spot and do this. So will this be done regularly? Because in the initial days we saw in the metro there was a huge chaos. So
Yes, now the camping is going on. We are continuously after the distributors to do camping, and they are doing it. And now people has also become aware. You will be noticing that many people are coming to the LPG distributors also to do the eKYC now. So that awareness is come. Awareness is come. Here the eKYC percentage was very low.
Very
I think
low.
it was
Yes,
around 30s.
Yes.
Now it has gone up to around 68%. So naturally when people are coming to know, and for PMY consumers, if they are not doing the eKYC, they are missing out of that subsidy also which is being given to them. So this awareness has come now in the state of Meghalaya as well, and people have started doing eKYC.
So may I know, like,